Meet Anne. Anne wants to get her team together for an exciting project kickoff. She gets her virtual room ready, uploads a presentation, and queues up a video that she wants to share. She invites the team and is ready to go. The gang joins the meeting with just a click. No downloads or installations needed. And Anne makes sure to hit record. And they're off. Anne shows her presentation and shares video from her Kaltura library. As they brainstorm about some of the key topics, Anne brings up the whiteboard where they can collaborate and let loose with their ideas. The team also jots down some feedback in the chat. After the meeting, Anne sends a follow-up and asks Rick, who couldn't make it to the meeting, to catch up with the recording, which he can easily find in their team channel in the Kaltura Video Hub. In their next session, Anne and the team get back together in the same virtual room, and they can simply pick up where they left off. Kaltura Meetings, video conferencing for the modern workplace.